Hello students, welcome back to our class. So in today's class we are going to see 2.7.2, that is partial fractions. Okay, we are going to see how we are going to solve the partial fractions. So there are two methods. Okay, so in your book they have given partial rational expression f of x divided by g of x. It will be in the format of f of x divided by g of x. Right. So what we are going to do is, the first thing is that the degree of f of x should be less than g of x. The degree of f of x should be less than g of x. Okay, if it is greater than, what you have to do, you have to again reduce the degree by dividing it. Okay, by partial division. Okay, so how we are going to factorize this is, if இதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ரேஷனல் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் இது பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம், எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம ஃபேக்டர்ஸாக மாற்றுவோம். சேம் வைஸ் we have to change this into factors. Denominators we have to change that into factors. In the denominator, if all the factors are easily having the real roots inda, we will be writing like this: a divided by some factor plus b divided by some factor, like this. If the given factor is anything else, does not have any real root, if it is one real root and if it does not have real root here, a divided by this term, okay, which have real root, plus bx plus c divided by the factor which does not have real roots. This is how we have to split. So now let's see the example, you will understand it clearly. Okay, so example number 2.25. okay, resolve into partial fractions x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 4. So in your question itself they have given in the factor, right? So this factor, shall we have, do we have any real roots here? Of course, x is equal to minus 3, minus 3 is a real number, x is equal to plus 4 is a real number. So how can we split this is, x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to a divided by this term x plus 3 plus b divided by this term x minus 4. That's it. Now you have to simplify. Okay, so here it is x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 4. Now take the LCM, x plus 3 into x minus 4. What happens in the numerator? A into x minus 4 plus b into x plus 3. See, the denominators are same. Now equate the numerators alone. A into x minus 4 plus b into x plus 3 is equal to x. So see, here it is x minus 4, right? So if we substitute x is equal to 4, what happens? This term gets 0. So we will be having the value of b. Now so x is equal to 4. So this term gets 0. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 into b is equal to 4. So what's the value of b? b is equal to 4 divided by 7. We have to find the value of a and b, then only we can substitute here, right? And again, now if we substitute x is equal to minus 3, what happens? This term becomes 0 and we will be finding the value of a. So x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. This term becomes 0. Here minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7a is equal to minus 3. Therefore, a is equal to 3 divided by 7. Okay, substitute the values of a and b in this equation. So that இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம partial fraction resolve பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காது. So why we are proceeding like this is, we have to find the value of a and b. That's why. Okay, so x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to, what's the value of a? A is equal to 3 divided by 7. 3 divided by 7 into what we have in denominator, x plus 3. X plus 3. So what's the value of b? b is 4 divided by 7 plus 4 divided by 7 into x minus 4. Hence we have resolved into partial fractions. Okay, now the next sum, example 2.26. resolve into partial fractions 2x divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. See, the first thing is you have to check for the degree. See here, the degree in numerator is 1 and the degree of denominator is here multiplication la irukku. Multiplication la irukumbodhu you have to multiply. When multiply this x cube the biggest number ah varum. So x cube is degree of denominator is 3. So numerator vida denominator greater than irukku, then we don't have any problem, we can proceed with this. Okay, see here 2 into x divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. So already they have given in the factor. Okay, so in the factor what we have, the solution is 1, it's a real number. In the factor we have x square is equal to minus 1. We don't have any real solution, so we don't have any real solution. So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது how we have to write is, see there is a mistake here. The thing is, first descending, I mean ascending order la ponu. First it becomes first வந்து negative varum, adukapra தான் positive varum. So x minus 4 inga varணும், x plus 3 varum. So here the answer will be x minus 4 here, and here it is x plus 3. It is slight change. First நம்ம இங்க factors எழுதுறோம் இல்லையா, எழுதும்போது first x minus 4 தான், minus தான first வரும். So minus 4 first எழுதணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் x plus 3 first எழுதணும். Okay, and here first வந்து இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா, it is equal to x minus 1 is the which is having the real solution, therefore a divided by x minus 1. This does not have the real solution, therefore இதை எப்படி resolve பண்றோம்னா plus bx plus c divided by x squared plus 1. Are you clear? So இதையே நம்ம first போடல, இதை first போட்டாலும் ax plus b divided by 2x squared. ஆனா first வந்து real parts எதுக்கெல்லாம், real solution எதுக்கெல்லாம் வருதோ அதை first போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் லாஸ்ட்டுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி solution, real solution வராத terms நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம். So இதுதான் நம்ம இப்போ வந்து resolve பண்ணிட்டோம். Now we have to find the value of a, b and c. How we are going to find? So equal to, take the LCM, LCM will be equal to x minus 1 into x squared plus 1. So a into x squared plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. So see the denominator here, we have the denominator same, then we have to equate the numerator. Equate the numerator, what we have is a into x squared plus 1, a into x squared plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1 equal to 2 into x. Okay, if we substitute the value of x is equal to 1, x minus 1 irukku, adu root enna 1. So if we substitute the value of x is equal to 1, what happens? This term gets cancelled. That is, this becomes 0, 0 into anything becomes 0. This term becomes 0. So here if we substitute 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore 2 into a is equal to 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore value of a is equal to 1. Okay, and then if we substitute the value of x is equal to 0, இதுக்கப்புறம் we can substitute our own values, x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, like that. If we substitute the value of x is equal to 0, what happens here? 0 square is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 into a, what is the value of a? A is 1. So therefore this becomes 1 plus b into 0 is 0. So plus c, c into 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So this becomes minus c. 1 minus c is equal to 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore c's value is also equal to 1. C's value is also equal to 1. Now in this equation, okay, in this equation equate the values of, sorry, coefficients of x square. So idoda coefficient, the first term la x square oda coefficient enna? A. Idoda coefficient, when this is multiplied with this, b into x square. So here we have b, okay, which is equal to, here we don't have x square term, therefore is equal to 0. Now what we have to do, we have to find value of b, therefore we are doing this. Okay, so a plus b is equal to 0. First enna பண்ணும், இதில் இருக்க solution அதை substitute பண்ணா நமக்கு ஒரு term 0 ஆயிடும், இன்னொரு term வந்து we can find one value, and again let us substitute x is equal to 0. நம்மளா substitute பண்ண x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1, you can substitute anything. So if we substitute, we will be getting 0 substitute பண்ணாதான் you will be getting the value of x, therefore we are substituting 0. Okay, So c is equal to 1. And then in the equation when we were multiplying, we will be having some x square terms, right? So x square terms coefficients நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், equate பண்றோம். இதுல x square term coefficient என்ன a, இதுல x square term coefficient என்ன b. So a plus b is equal to, we don't have x square term, therefore the coefficient of x square term in the right hand side becomes 0. So a plus b is equal to 0. We already know the value of a. A is equal to -1, therefore the value of b is equal to -1. So what we have find? We have find the values of a, b, c. Then what happens? X divided by 2x divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to a divided by, what is a? A is 1. 1 divided by x minus 1 plus, what is b? B is minus 1x. So minus 1 into x. Therefore minus x. What is c? C is 1 plus 1. Minus x plus 1 can written as 1 minus x. 1 minus x divided by x squared plus 1. Okay. This is the solution. We have factorized the given rational function. Okay. Now the next sum. Example 2.27. Okay. Resolve into partial fractions. X plus 1 divided by x square into x minus 1. So already they have given in the form of factors. Okay. So x plus 1 divided by, here we have, what we have here, the value is 1. Here x square is equal to 0 means we have the value 0. Okay. So இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம எப்படி பார்த்தோம், இந்த மாதிரி factors இருந்தா how we are going to resolve, இந்த மாதிரி square terms இருந்தா how we are going to resolve this, x square into x minus 1 equal to a divided by x square க்கு பதிலா first x and then b divided by x squared multiplied and then c divided by x minus 1. This is how we have to do. See, if we have x plus 1 the whole square means, இதை வந்து நம்ம ரெண்டா x plus 1 into x plus 1 அப்படியும் எழுதலாம். பட் அப்படி எழுதாம how we have to write is x plus 1 the whole square இருந்தால் a divided by first x plus 1க்கு மட்டும் plus b divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus c divided by x minus 1. This is how we have to resolve. Okay. But here we have, in the question they have given x squared, right? X square. So a divided by x plus b divided by x squared. Okay. Now shall we solve this? See, now take the LCM in the right hand side. What we get? X square into x minus 1. A into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square. See, we have the denominator same. Now we equate the numerator. X plus 1 is equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square. Okay. Now at first let us take x is equal to 1. The value in the x value 1. So x is equal to 1 means what happens? This term becomes 0, this term becomes 0. So what becomes 1 means c is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. What's the value of c? C becomes 2. Okay. And again, shall we take x is equal to 0 now? If we take x is equal to 0, left hand side 0 plus 1 is 1 equal to, this becomes 0, right? A into x. So this becomes 0, this term becomes 0. So here this also becomes 0, c into the. So here 0 minus 1 is minus b. Therefore, what's the value of b? B is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find the value of a. Now substitute x is equal to minus 1. So left hand side what happens? Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into, what's the value of x? Minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. 2 into a. What's the value of a? A we didn't find, right? So 2 into a. Okay, and again minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into b. What's the value of b? Minus 1. So minus 2 into plus 1 is, so minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. And again c into x square. Minus 1 the whole square is 1. C's value is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, what we have? 2a plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, bring this minus 4 that side, it becomes minus 4. A is equal to minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. The value of a is minus 2. Now we have to substitute here. So the answer is x plus 1 divided by x square into x minus 1, which is equal to, what's the value of a? Minus 2 divided by x. So what's the value of b? B is minus 1. Therefore minus 1 divided by x square. What's the value of c? C is equal to 2 plus 2 divided by x minus 1. Okay. Now let us enter into the exercise 2.9. Okay. Exercise 2.9. So we have to resolve into partial fractions. The first question is 1 divided by x square minus a square. 1 divided by x square minus a square. So first what we have to see? You have to see whether the given numerator and denominator is degree. This is degree 0 and this is of degree 2. So this is smaller. Therefore we can continue. So 1 divided by, how can we write this? 1 divided by a square, it is in the format of a square minus b square. This can be written as x plus a into x minus a. Okay, so what happens? 1 divided by x plus a into x minus a is equal to a divided by, first this term, minus term, x minus a plus b divided by x plus a. Okay, taking LCM, x minus a into x plus a. So here it is a into x plus a plus b into x minus a. So equating the numerator, what we have? A into, so x plus a plus b into x minus a is equal to 1. Okay. Now let us substitute x is equal to minus a. So this term becomes 0. Minus a means minus 2a into b is equal to 1. So what's the value of b? B is equal to minus 1 divided by 2a. Now we have to find the value of a. How can we find the value of a? So we have to substitute x is equal to a here. If we substitute x is equal to a minus a, becomes, this term becomes 0. So a plus a is 2a. 2a into capital A is equal to 1. Therefore a will be equal to 1 divided by 2a. This is the value of a. Now shall we substitute the value of a and b in these partial fractions? 1 divided by x minus a into x plus a is equal to 1 divided by 2a into x minus a. The value of b is minus 1 divided by 2a. Therefore 1 minus 1 divided by 2a into x plus a. This is the solution. Okay. Now let us see the next sum. What is the second sum? The second sum is 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1. So it is already given in the format of factors. So shall we resolve? We can resolve. Okay. So a divided by, first it is x minus 2 plus b divided by. Okay. Before that we have to check the degree. This is x1 and this is x into x, this is x square. Therefore degree 2. Okay. And see, idhukku vandu factor irukku, real factor 2, idhukku real factor minus 1. So no problem. X minus 2 plus b divided by, so plus b divided by x plus 1. So as usual, take the LCM. LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 1 a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. So, equate the numerators alone. A into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay. First, let us substitute x is equal to minus 1. What happens if we substitute x is equal to minus 1? This term becomes 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3b is equal to minus 1, right? So, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Therefore, b's value is equal to 2 divided by 3. Then substitute x is equal to 2. This term becomes 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3a is equal to 2, right? 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore, a's value is 7 divided by 3. Okay. So, what happens here? Substitute the value of a is 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3 and also value of b is 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. So, this is the answer. Okay. Now, let us see the third sum. Third sum, what is the question? X divided by x squared plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. So, first check the degree. Here it is x square into x cube into x is x power 4. This degree 4, this degree 1. So, this is a less degree. So, we can continue with this. See here, this solution 1, this solution minus 2, but this solution x square will be equal to minus 1. We do not have real solution. Therefore, how can we resolve this? A divided by, first is negative, x minus 1 plus b divided by this term, x plus 2, and then numeric factorials. Now, how we are going to resolve? Cx. The next term a, b we have used, the next term is c. Cx plus d divided by x square plus 1. Okay, x square plus 1. Now, what you have to do? Now, take the LCM. If you take the LCM, what we get here? X minus 1 into x plus 2 into x square plus 1. So, a into x plus 2 into x square plus 1. And here plus b into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. And plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 2 here. Okay, this side x minus 1 into x plus 2 there. Now, equate the numerators alone. What we get? X plus 2 into x squared plus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x squared plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to x. Okay. So, in this we have to find the value of a, b, c and d. Okay. Now, let us substitute the value of x is equal to 1. So, this term becomes 0, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 0 is multiplied with this both, therefore 0, and this term also becomes 0. So, what will be the answer? Here it is 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, a into 3 into 1 square is 1, 1 plus 2, 1 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into a is equal to, the right hand side 1. Therefore, a's value is equal to 1 divided by 6. Okay, and then what we can substitute? We can substitute x is equal to minus 2. The next solution is minus 2. So, what happens? This term becomes 0 and this term becomes 0 and the remaining term is this. So, minus 2 b into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 2 the whole square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, which is equal to, on the right hand side we get minus 2. So, see 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 into b, which is equal to minus 2. From this what we get? We get b is equal to 2 divided by 15. Next we have to find c and d. Okay. From this we can substitute x is equal to 0. So, what happens? If we substitute x is equal to 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Here 0 plus 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into a. So, 2 into a's value is 1 by 6. So, 2 divided by 6 is 1 divided by 3. And the next one. 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Here plus 1, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1 into b, minus b. So, minus of b's value is 2 divided by 50, 2 divided by 50. And here, this one is 0, this will be minus 1 plus 2. So, minus 2 into c. So, see here, this is cx plus b, sorry, cx plus b plus cx plus d. Okay. So, if you substitute 1, the answer will be 0. So, we get, if you substitute minus 2 also, this is correct. Okay, cx plus d. So, the next term cx plus d into, here we substitute 0, here we get only d here, and here is x minus 1 is 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So, minus 2d, right, minus 2 into d is equal to 0. Okay, 0, 3 comma 15, the LCM is 15, take the LCM, 15, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 minus 30d is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation is 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 30d is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 is equal to 30d. Right? 3 minus 30d. Brings this minus 30d this side. 3 is equal to 30d. D is equal to 1 divided by 10. The value of d is 1 divided by 10. Then we have what we have to find? We have to find the answer of the value of c. Okay, we have to find the value of c. Okay, see here. Now, shall we equate the coefficient of x square, sorry, x power 4. Okay, here we have x cube only, here also we have x cube. So, here x power 4 is x square into x. So, here also x cube only, right? This is x square plus 1. X cube, x cube. So, then shall we equate the coefficient of x cube in this term? A into x square is x cube. So, here it is a, and then in the next term x into x cube, x into x is x cube. So, 1 into x cube into b, therefore, plus b, and in the next term, see here, x into x is x square into cx is c into x cube. So, the coefficient is plus c, which is equal to, here we don't, in the right hand side we don't have x cube term, therefore, the coefficient of x cube here is 0. Now, we have to substitute the value of a and b. What is the value of a? A is 1 divided by 6. What is the value of b? B is 2 divided by 15 plus c is equal to 0. Then you will be getting the value of c is minus 3 divided by 10. Minus 3 divided by 10. So, what happens? The answer is x divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to a divided by a is 1 divided by 6. 1 divided by 6 into x minus 1 plus b is 2 divided by 15. 2 divided by 15 into x plus 2 plus, what is the value of c? C's value is 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10 into x plus, what is the value of d? 1 divided by 10. So, while taking LCM, we will be taking LCM as 10. So, 3x plus 1 divided by 10 into x square plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now, the fourth sum. So, fourth sum is the assignment for x divided by x minus 1 the whole cube, right? X divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. So, how can we resolve this? A divided by first x minus 1 alone plus b divided by x minus 1 the whole square and plus c divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. Okay. And the LCM is x minus 1 the whole cube and the numerator what we get, a into x minus 1 the whole square plus b into x minus 1 plus c. Then equate the numerator around, then substitute the values and you will be finding the values of a, b and c. This is the fourth sum, is the assignment for you. So fifth sum, 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1. How can we factorize this? X square the whole square minus 1. 1 divided by x square plus 1 into x square minus 1, right? So this can be again factorized into x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1. This term alone. So at last we have arrived at 1 divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1. See here this we have no real value, here we have real value, here we do not have real value. Okay. So how can we factorize? A divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1 plus cx plus d divided by x squared plus 1. On taking the LCM, what we get? X minus 1 into x plus 1 into x squared plus 1. So a into x plus 1 into cx plus d into x squared plus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x squared plus 1 and then plus cx plus d into these two terms, x minus 1 into x plus 1. So shall we equate the numerators alone? A into x plus 1 into x squared plus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x squared plus 1 plus cx plus d into x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 1. So what you have to do? You have to substitute the values. Let us substitute x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1, this term becomes 0 and this term becomes 0, and what is the value here? Minus 1 is minus 2. This is minus 2. Minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Therefore, minus 4 into b is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, and then substitute the value of x is equal to 1. What happens? This becomes 0 and this becomes 0, and here 1 means here 2 and here also 2. Therefore, 4 into a is equal to 1. The value of a is equal to 1 divided by 4. Okay. Next, what you have to substitute? You have to substitute the value of x is equal to 0. Set x is equal to 0. What happens at first? 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into a. What is the value of a? 1 divided by 4. The first term. And then this term, 1. That is at 0. Minus 1, here it is 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into b. What is the value of b? b is equal to minus 1 divided by 4. So, minus into minus plus. Plus 1 divided by 4. And here this becomes 0. So, 0, right? Minus 1 and here plus 1. So, minus d. So, minus d is equal to 0. Take the LCM, 4. 1 plus 1 minus 4d is equal to 0. 2 minus 4d divided by 4 is equal to 0. Taking this side, so the answer is 2 minus 4d is equal to 0. That is 2 is equal to 4d. What is the value of d? d is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay. This is how you have to find, and you will be getting the value of c as 0. You will be getting the value of c as 0. Then what you have to do? You have to substitute here. So, value of a is 1 divided by 4. Sorry, here. This is 1 divided by 4, and the value of b is minus 1 divided by 4, minus 1 divided by 4, and this term becomes 0. So, cx becomes 0 and the value of d is minus 1 divided by 2. So, this will be the answer. Okay, now let us see the sixth sum. Sixth sum, x minus 1 the whole square divided by x cube plus x. Okay, so what happens? X minus 1 the whole square, take x outside, x into x square plus 1. Okay, so as it is. Now shall we resolve this? It is equal to a divided by, here it is x, so we can take it as x alone plus, see this cannot be factorized, x square will be equal to minus 1, therefore bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. So while taking LCM, what we get? We get x into x square plus 1, a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x. Okay, now we have to equate the numerators alone. So a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x is equal to x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 1 the whole square. Now substitute the value, and x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. What happens? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2a plus b plus b into 1 is b plus c into 1. So b plus c is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 it becomes 0. 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 0 means 1a, therefore a, here it becomes 0. So here the whole terms become 0, and here it is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 the whole square is 1. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Okay, so if a is equal to 1, this terms becomes b plus c, 2 into a, bring this side, minus 2. b plus c is equal to minus 2. Now what we can do? Shall we equate the coefficients of x square? Here it is a and here it is plus b equal to, here it is, this term can be written as x square plus 1 minus 2x. So it is 1. What's the value of a? A is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. So if b is equal to 0, what's the value of c? C is equal to minus 2. You have to substitute here. A is equal to 1, right? So this becomes 1 and b is equal to 0. So this term it vanishes, plus c. So minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let us see the seventh sum. Seventh sum is x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. So, we can factorize and we can move on. Before that, we have to see the degree. See this degree, this is also 2, this is also 2. Since it is of same degree, we have to divide this. Okay. Divide this x square plus x plus 1 x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. So, x square, so 1. So, what happens? X square minus 5x plus 6. Change the symbol here. The remaining term is, this becomes 0. 5x plus 6x is 6x, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So, how this can be written as 1 plus 6x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Mixed fraction la eludrom. We are writing this in the format of mixed fraction. So, this is resolved as 1 plus this. Now, we have to resolve this alone. See this, here 1, idor degree 2. So, it is less than. So, 6x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Eppadi resolve pannalam? 3 into 2. Right, 3 into 2. So, minus 5, while multiplying we get plus 6. So, this can be resolved into factorize into x minus 3 into x minus 2. Now start resolving. A divided by first it is x minus 3 plus b divided by x minus 2. Now taking LCM, we get a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. In the denominator we have x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now equating the numerator alone. 6 minus 5. First substitute the value of x is equal to 2. This term becomes 0. Then 2 means minus 1. Minus b will be equal to here 2, right? So 2. 6 2 is 12. 7. So value of b is equal to minus 7. Okay. And again the next one, substitute the value of x is equal to 3. You will be getting the value of b is equal to 13. So here this only resolved like this, right? So 1 plus, what is the value of a? 13. So 13 divided by x minus 3 plus 7, sorry, minus 7, minus b, minus 7 divided by x minus 2. So this is how you have to resolve. So you have to include this also, 1 plus, இதை மட்டும் எழுதக்கூடாது, இதையும் எழுதணும், because இதுக்கு தான் question கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So 1 plus you have to include that also. Okay. So இதுக்கு தான் why we are saying this, you have to check the degree. If it is equal to or this is greater than, this degree is greater than this, means you have to solve like this, you have to divide like this, and you have to arrive at an solution like this. Then you have to start resolving. Okay. Now the 8th sum. X cube plus 2x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. See here, the degree of numerator is greater than denominator. So what you have to do? You have to start dividing. X cube plus 2x plus 1 x squared plus 5x plus 6. So see the first term. So when it is multiplied by x, it will become x cube. So x alone. So what happens? X cube plus 5 x square. See here we don't have x square term, right? So therefore we are making it as plus 0 into x square plus 5x square plus 6x. Change the symbol. This term becomes 0. Minus 5 x squared minus 6x plus 2 is minus 4x plus 1. So how can this will be resolved as x plus minus 5 into x squared minus 4x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, now we have to resolve that. Minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 1 divided by x squared 5 plus 5x plus 6. 6 எப்படி solve பண்ணலாம்? 3 into 2 and here minus 5. How can you resolve this? 5 into 1. We have to get minus 4. Okay. So this can be resolved into x minus 5 into x plus 1. Denominator is x plus 3 into x plus 2. So now partially resolving this, a into x plus a divided by x plus 2 plus b divided by x plus 3. On taking LCM and then you have to equate the numerator. What will be the numerator is a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2 is equal to x minus 5 into x plus 1. Okay. So when x is equal to minus 3, this term becomes 0. Minus 3 means minus b is equal to minus 3, here it is minus 8 and minus 3 here it is minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 8 into 2 16. Therefore value of b is equal to minus 16. Okay. Likewise you have to find the value of a and you have to substitute in the given the partiality here. Okay. Now the 9th sum. So, ninth sum is the assignment for you. Okay, see the ninth sum is the assignment for you. At the top you have numerator x plus 12 and the denominator you have x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 2. Okay, so here x plus 12 divided by x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 2. So, how will you resolve this? So, this can x plus 12 divided by x minus a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by, so it means x plus 1 and then b divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus c divided by x minus 2. Okay, then take LCM, then equate the numerator, you will be getting the value of a, b and c. So, ninth sum is the assignment for you. Now, the 10th sum, 6 into x square minus x plus 1 divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. See the degree, this is of degree 2 and this is of degree 3. So, no problem, we can proceed. So, this can be resolved into 6, right? 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So, minus. So, if we put minus here, you will be getting minus 3 into 2 minus 6, but we do not have this minus 6. So, this can't be factorized. So, keep as it is. Okay, keep as it is. 6 into x square minus x plus 1. Now, take this x square outside. If we take x square outside, what happens? We will be getting x plus 1 plus x plus 1. And from here, take this x plus 1 outside. So, what will be getting? X plus 1 into x square plus 1. Okay, this is what you have to resolve. 6x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 is equal to a divided by x plus 1, because we have the root minus 1. This one we have to resolve in another one format, that is bx plus c, because we do not have the real roots for this, divided by x square plus 1. Okay, on finding LCM and then we have to equate the numerator. On equating numerator, what we will be getting is a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1 is equal to 6 into x square minus 6 plus 1. Okay, substitute the value of x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 means this term becomes 0. Minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 into a is equal to, and here minus 1 the whole square is 1. So, 6 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 is 8. So, what is the value of a? A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. And then the next one, let us substitute x is equal to 0. 0 means 1 into a is 4. 4 plus bx becomes 0. Therefore, c into 0 plus 1 is 1. So, c alone is equal to 0, 0 and here it is 1. So, 1 minus 4 is, when getting this, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Therefore, c is equal to minus 3. And we have to find the value of b. Here, equate the coefficients of x square. Here it is a and here it is bx into x, only we get x square. So, plus b is equal to, here it is 6. What is the value of a? A is equal to 4. So, b is equal to 6 minus 4. B is equal to 2. So, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 3. So, you have to substitute a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now, the 11th sum, see the 11th sum, 2 into x square plus 5x minus 11 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. See the degree of both the functions given, it is of same degree. So, what you have to do? You have to find the division and you have to resolve it into partial fraction, you have to find the answer. So, the answer is the assignment for you. Now, the 12th sum. Now the 12th sum. 7 plus x. 7 plus x means x plus 7. X plus 7 divided by x plus 1 into x squared plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 into x squared plus 1. So, see the degree, it is of degree 1 and it is of degree 3. So, no problem, we can proceed here. Okay, now how can we resolve this? A divided by, for this we are getting a real solution. So, x plus 1 plus bx plus c, because we do not get a real solution here. Bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Then finding LCM and we have to equate the numerator. The numerator will be a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1 is equal to x plus 7. Okay. Shall we substitute the values? That x is equal to minus 1. What happened? This term becomes 0. Here minus 1, the whole square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into a is equal to here minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. So, a is equal to 3. Value of a is equal to 3. And again substitute x is equal to 0. 0 means 1 into a. 1 into 3 is 3. And then this becomes 0. This here it is 1 plus c is equal to 7. C is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. So, the value of c is 4. And again equating the coefficients of x square here. Here it is a and here it is bx into x is bx square, that is only b. We do not have x square term, that is therefore equal to 0. So, what is the value of a? A is equal to 3. So, value of b will be equal to minus 3. So, what will be the answer? A is 3, right? So, here it is 3 divided by x plus 1 plus b's value is minus 3 and c's value is 4. So, this can be written as 4 minus 3x. 4 minus 3x. So, this is the solution. Okay. So, totally 3 sums I have given as assignment. Complete the sum, complete the assignment and go through this. With this we are completing this video. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you, students.